I'm here with Ruth, recent graduate of InnerSea. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.
So, what had you wanting to do yoga training, and what led you to InnerSea?
I just knew that I really wanted to expand my practice, learn a lot more about what I was doing, and as an old aging woman, it keeps me healthy and vibrant. So I started looking. Yeah.
And what made you choose InnerSea Yoga Academy for it?
Well, I had been to Costa Rica once before. The country is phenomenal. It's just got so much to offer. And I wanted that full immersion. I wanted to be really surrounded by nature and my yoga training.
Awesome. And what was your favorite thing about the course program itself?
So the fundamentals of yoga were taught through and through, but it really helped me to dive deep into myself and to really search that out, figure what I wanted and where I was going.
And if someone was on the fence about joining, what would you tell them?
No, don't hesitate. This is an amazing course. You will love it. The instructors are top-notch. They meet you where you're at. It is a true life-changing experience.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.